But whānau, my name is Hotorene Brown, working for Turanga Health. On today we've got the regionals for Rahi. This is a qualifier for the nationals held in Hawke's Bay. We have 6 schools and 9 teams. Alright, so some schools have put in extra teams just to give more gameplay and everything else. So, yeah, like I said, this is just the regionals. We've got Campion, Horouta Wananga, Lytton, Boys and Girls, TK hasn't participated in a while, so we've got Te Karaka and the new school, Hawaiki Hou. This sport is growing in nature. It doesn't have a national body like other sports does, so we Turanga Health try and promote traditional Māori sports, and Rahi is one of the ones we aim for from the year 5 at school, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, as well as high school.